Hi Mokshita. Hi Srivalika. How are you? Come and sit here. Fine, thank you. What about you? I am also good. After a long gap, you came here. Actually, I came for your help. Oh, what do you want, Srivalika? There are cultural programs at my school tomorrow. I am participating in debate competition. Oh, good. I want to know about our Indian flag. Will you please help me? Oh, sure. First introduce yourself, then start like this. Our Indian flag is also called as tricolor flag, designed by Pingal Venkaya. The three colors are saffron, white and green. Saffron indicates strength and courage. White indicates peace and purity. Green indicates prosperity and greenery. And one chakra with 24 spokes called Ashoka Chakra with blue color is at the center of our Indian flag. It indicates us Dharma. Thank you very much, Mokshita. I will practice all this today. All the best, Srivalika. Thank you. Bye. Bye.